Yeah, where's your duodenum? You gotta
right.
pull the liver up.
Yeah.
Duodenum's right here.
Duodenum's right there.
And the pancreas is on the duodenum, which is this kind of glandular. You see that little bubblegummy
Yeah.
gland? That's all pancreas.
Okay.
That's why it's so hard when they do a pancreasectomy. That it's like a very invasive procedure. And then you have the cecum here, and this is the ileum all here, and this is the colon here. Gotcha?
Okay.
Spleen's over here.
That, or that's the kidney?
That's the kidney. That's the kidney. This is the spleen right here.
Okay.
It's like a strap-like thing. Anything else we're looking for? Again, the jejunum is really hard to see, but basically you look for after the duodenum where there's no vascular tissue yet. So the jejunum would be like probably like right here.
Okay.
But I'm not going to ask on a test, but just to point out the extra feature. Because you might have heard, did you take anatomy?
Yeah.
Because you probably heard about jejunum.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so all the major organs there.
Yep, and then we saw the diaphragm. I cut it.
Diaphragm there. Lungs back there.
Yep.
Heart. You're going to want to cut all the way up to here to get that trachea exposed.
Okay.